What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. And while you're at it, smash that like button for me. I really would appreciate it. Also, hit that post notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. I want to give you the 6 stocks that I'm going to be concentrating on for these last 100 days of 2025. Number 1, Aurora Innovation Inc. Number 2, Big Bear AI. Number 3, Palantir. Number 4, NVIDIA. Number 5, Supermicro Computer. And then number 6, MP Materials. Now you go out and do your own homework on these 6 companies, guys, because I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not trying to give you financial advice. You need to go out and do your own independent research and come up with your own conclusion on what you believe is right for you to invest in. But these are the 6 companies that I'm going to be investing in these last 100 days. So let me give you a little brief rundown why. Aurora Innovation Inc. is a software company that provides software to aid in the advancement of autonomous driving. I like this company. Right now, currently about a $5 per share stock, but there's promise. It's not there yet, but it's promise because of, again, AI technology, man, is the future. And I think Aurora Innovation Inc. is doing something special. Now, that's my opinion. Like I said, go out and do your own homework. Number 2, Big Bear AI. I believe direct competitor to Palantir, but like a baby Palantir. But I think they are doing some great things. Again, about a $5 per share stock right now, has gotten itself this year, I believe, up to around $8, $9, or $10 per share. So lots of potential, but they're going to have to prove it out, right? They're going to have to pull some market share from Palantir, which I think they can. And then now let's get to the big boys, the big boy blue chippers. Palantir is, guys, I believe can be a $1 trillion market cap one day. And again, this is just my opinion. That don't mean it's going to be true. They take large data and they run it through their software. And they give that data the ability to be easily understood by whoever the customer is. And then that customer can make decisions on that data. So one of the largest clients right now is the United States government. And revenue is starting to increase month over month, quarter over quarter, year over year. And I like Palantir long term. Next one is going to be NVIDIA. Y'all already know, most valuable company in the world by market cap. And, Q2 revenue numbers was about 46 billion. And they beat EPS estimates as well. So great company, in my opinion. A lot of runway, in my opinion. Like I said, most valuable company in the world by market cap. Nothing much else to say. GPU chips, most advanced chips in the world. NVIDIA makes them. So yeah, I like NVIDIA long term. I'm gonna stay on them and just see how this company continues to develop. And I believe they will continue to develop, because they are number 1 in their industry and they control, in my opinion, about 70-75% of the market share. So good opportunity to keep growing. Let's move on to Supermicro Computer. Now that's a semiconductor. And again, they just started moving their Blackwell chips that they got from NVIDIA. So of course, the stock price took a little bit of a pop. And again, the key for Supermicro Computer is they got to get their financial statements in on a timely basis with the NASDAQ. That's their biggest issue, in my opinion, right now, is just getting the financial information in on time. And as long as they do that, I think they'll continue to grow. You're talking about a company that does probably between $5 to $6 billion a quarter in revenue with decent profitability Could be better, but it's good profitability. It's positive profitability. And they're a semiconductor. And they've been around, guys, for a long time. This is not a new company. This company's been around, I believe, since the early 90s, if I'm not mistaken. You guys go out and fact check that and do your homework on that. But this is a mature company that's still growing. So I like them. Stock price is somewhere about $45 a share, but 52-week high, they've gotten all the way to $66 a share. So I believe there's some upside, and I'm gonna focus on that. Now let's move on to MP Materials. This company I like because in my research, they are the only rare earth minerals company in America. America typically gets its rare earth minerals from outside of the United States, specifically China. Some could even say Ukraine. Now again, go do your own homework. I'm not some expert here. I'm just telling you my little research. So to have your own rare earth minerals company here in America, mining in America, is a big thing. Also, federal government, I believe now, you go do your fact check on this, owns about 15% of this company. The United States government, Trump. So of course, they're gonna have unlimited resources to find these rare earth minerals, in my opinion. And those are important because they go into computers, they go into, cars, a lot of things that we rely on a day-to-day basis. You have to have these rare earth minerals to make them work. So it's important for us to be able to develop our own and not be, vulnerable to some other country because we can't produce them ourselves in the United States. That's why I think MP Materials is a game changer. So it's definitely on my list of companies to really dig into in these last 100 days of 2025. Because at this point, guys, I'm starting to plan for 2026. It's been a pretty good 2025, both on the business side, on the investment side. And I'm just trying to round this thing off because I know this fourth quarter of 2025, specifically November and December, in my opinion, will be mega months for assets. Why? Because interest rates are starting to come down. If you guys have been following what's going on, Federal Reserve will be meeting on September 16th and 17th. And it's widely expected on September 17th, the Fed will cut rates by 25 or 50 basis points. And that is the tailwind, in my opinion. And then it's also widely expected, either in their November or their December meeting, they will cut rates again. So I think those are tailwinds because when interest rates go down, stocks go up. Get in where you fit in. That's all I can tell you, man. Drop me some comments down in the comment box and let me know what assets you're going to be focused on for these last 100 days to build your wealth, to push you into 2026 strong. Drop it down in the comment box. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing, share the video, smash the like button. Thoughts become things. If you can sit in your mind, you can hold it in your hands. You guys keep chasing your greatness. Never stop believing in yourself. Stay healthy, get well. Catch you on the next video. Moo is going to give you some NVIDIA stock when you open up a new Moo brokerage account and make a deposit. All you got to do is get down to the first link in the description box. That's the Moo brokerage link. Click on it and get all the details on how you can get some NVIDIA stock. Don't delay, act today. Second link down in the description box is the Wealth Builders Financial Community on Patreon. Guys, all we do in that community is help each other build wealth, get to financial freedom and passive income. If you want to be a part of our team, all you got to do is click on that second link. It'll take you over to Patreon and then come sign up for the fastest growing financial community on Patreon. We'll call the Wealth Builders. Today's video is sponsored by my company, RF Financial Consulting. And in my company, I work with individuals just like you through financial mentoring and coaching sessions. And in those 1-hour sessions, we talk about strategies to help you get to your financial freedom, whether it be through real estate investing, stock market investing, creating additional streams of income, credit card arbitrage, or starting and growing a business. If that's something that you might be interested in, there's an email address in the description box of the video. Send me an email and let's discuss if I'm the right fit for you.